With the release of macOS 15.1 Beta 2, Apple has allowed access to Apple Intelligence for English speakers located in the EU. Unfortunately, that was not possible in previous versions. So if you want to give a try to Apple Intelligence on your Mac, let me show you how to enable and use it the right way. Before moving any further, make sure that you have a compatible device. Note that Apple Intelligence only supports A17 Pro or higher and Apple M series chip. Therefore, make sure that you have a compatible device. After that, you have to install macOS 15.1 Beta 2 on your Mac. To do so, go to the System Settings app on your Mac and then select General. After that, click on Software Update. Then you have to click on the info icon next to Beta Updates. Then you have to click on the drop-down menu next to Beta Updates and then choose macOS 15.1 Developer Beta and then hit the Done button. And then you have to download and install the beta software. And once you have updated the software, launch the System Settings app. Then select General. After that, choose Language and Region. And then you have to click on Add Language Plus button and then choose English US. And then you have to click on the drop-down menu next to Region and select Americas. And then you have to select United States. Note that this won't affect your App Store regions or purchases. After that, you have to return to the main System Settings menu and click on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Then you have to click on Language and choose English United States. You will now be able to join the Apple Intelligence waitlist, which in most cases gets accepted in just a few minutes. Under the Apple Intelligence header text, click on Join Waitlist. Now you might have to wait for a few moments until you get a confirmation stating that you have successfully joined Apple Intelligence waitlist. Now go ahead to set up Apple Intelligence on your Mac and use it to your heart's liking. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.